That thing you've been putting off, this is for you. We all have those moments. Tasks we don't want to face, but know we must. That's when someone might say, time to bite the bullet. Bite the bullet means to face something unpleasant or difficult instead of avoiding it. You accept it, deal with it, and move forward. I hate the dentist, but I finally bit the bullet and booked an appointment. He bit the bullet and asked his boss for a raise. She bit the bullet and ended a relationship that wasn't working. It's all about courage, even when it's uncomfortable. So where does this phrase come from? Back on old battlefields, there was no anesthesia. When soldiers needed surgery, they were given a bullet to bite down on, to endure the pain and keep from screaming. It was brutal, but it was a way to survive. That image of literally biting a bullet to endure pain became the metaphor we use today. Now, you don't need to use it for everyday chores. It's not biting the bullet to eat vegetables. It's for things that are truly tough or unpleasant. Confronting someone, making a hard decision, or taking action you've been avoiding. So think about it. What's the bullet you've been avoiding? Maybe it's time to bite it today. And remember, facing something difficult doesn't make you weak. It means you're strong enough to move through it. See you next time in Between the Words.